So guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very important thing remedy for malaria and typhoid. So guys can see it inside fire. Can see this mango leaf. Can see the leaf, and this lemon. This lemon. So the only thing you do, get your mango leaf, wash it very well, then get your lemon, slice it into 4 and boil them together. Put one lifting inside. But this one I'm boiling, I didn't add lifting. And this medicine that you see is very, very good, especially ladies that have stomach pain when they are seeing their menstrual moon. So when you are seeing your menstrual this thing, when you have when you see your menses and you having stomach pain, take this thing to flush your stomach, to wash your stomach, that next time if you want to see it to not pain you, you won't have any problem again. Everything will flow normal. So, and it's good for cold. When you have running nose, take it morning and night. That cold will disappear. And when you have like malaria and maybe you don't go hospital every time, the malaria no go for local medicine. Boil your this thing, boil your mango leaf and lemon and drink it together. Boil it together and drink it, you see. So the only thing I will do now, I will filter it, then allow it to cool, I will drink it. So I'll tell you guys to try it, especially ladies that have menstrual pain, that every time they won't see their menses, they have stomach pain, maybe the thing will disturb them, make them vomit, they feel it. But when you are taking this thing always, all those things won't have problem for it again. So I advise you guys to go for it. Just pluck mango leaf, wash it very well. If you even have moringa leaf, you can even add moringa leaf also. But this one I didn't have moringa leaf. I have only mango leaf with lemon. Boil them together. Wash it very well. Boil it together. Filter it inside. Be taking it morning and night. But don't take it cold. Take it when it's warm. You see the work and you see the difference. So that is all. So let me filter it. Is done already. I'll show you guys. It's a very simple menu. It's not a hard thing. Let me just filter small. See how it be for plate. It's just a simple menu. It's a simple video and it's not hard. So just put some inside the cup. See how the color be, so guys can see. So it's very hot now. I like it to cool, today warm. Let me test it. You know it's hot. It's very hot. So I like it today warm, then I'll drink it. It's a very simple menu. Plug your mango with, you can even add moringa leaf and lemon. Boil them together. Add small, can add lifting. Boil them together. Be taking it. If you have cold, running nose and all those things to disappear, you won't have the problem again. So that is all for mango leaf and lemon. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and comment for it. Share it to your loved one. Share it to your loved one. See you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.